we are when you are French for beginner. Hello friends, welcome to my channel French for beginners. And today we are going to take some quick revision. So quick revision के लिए आप देखिए, सबसे पहले हम greeting words को एक quickly revision देंगे. Greeting words को revise करेंगे. Okay. So I am going to ask you, what is good morning? What is good morning, good day, and hello in French? So we say bonjour. Bonjour means good morning, good day and hello. Bonjour का मतलब होता है good morning, good day and hello. Okay, what is good afternoon in French? Good afternoon. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. What is good evening in French? Bonsoir. Bonsoir. What is good night in French? Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Thank you. Thank you. Merci. Sorry. Désolé. Sorry. Désolé. Bye bye. Au revoir. Bye bye. Au revoir. See you soon. A bientôt. See you soon. A bientôt. So this was a quick revision for salutation, greeting words. Now I'm going to taking a quick revision of counting les nombres. Please tell me the numbering. We have done from 1 to 50 counting. So tell me the numbering. Or you can say from 1 to 20. Tell me the numbering 1 to 20 in French. Yes. Okay. So let's start with 1. Let's start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we have done counting till 1 to 20. Today we are going to do some revisions, that is être verb, avoir verb, aller verb et presentez-vous. Être verb, to be, avoir verb, to have, aller verb, to go, and presentez-vous means introduce yourself. So let's see and start with me. I'm going to start with the être verb. So have a look. First I'm going to write here verbs, right? So I'm taking first verb, that is être verb. Être verb. First of all, I'm going to write here singular. Here I'm going to write plural. First of all, we have done je suis. Je suis, because when we are going to do presentez-vous, we need to write je suis, I am, because you are writing about yourself. So you need to know what is I am. Je suis. Wherever you want to write I, you have to write je. Je means I. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. That means I am. Tu means you, you are. Il means he is. Elle means she is. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Now I am writing plural of these. What is the plural of I? What is the plural of I? That is we. We say no. No. And what is the plural of suis? Zom. What will be the plural of je suis? That will be nous sommes. I am. So plural of I am will be we are. Tu es. You are. Here the plural form of tu is vous, and plural form of will be et. Tu es, vous êtes. Il means one boy. So plural will be more boys. So it will be ils. est plural will be sont. He is, they are means male, boys. L means she, and plural of she will be they for girls. So we will add s, and what is the plural of est? That is sont. So it will be je suis, nous sommes, tu es, vous êtes, il est, ils ont, elle est, elles ont. So whenever we do verbs, if we do many verbs, 1,000 verbs, 2,000 verbs, many verbs, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ils, elles will remain same. It will not be changed because subject pronoun I, you, he, she, we, they does not change. Only the conjugation will change in all the verb. Next verb is avoir verb. Avoir means to have. To have, we have already done this, so it's just a revision so that we can revise it. Again, singular, plural. I am writing je, tu, il, elle because this will remain same as I said. Subject pronoun never change. Plural of je, nous. What will be the plural of tu? It's vous. What will be the plural of il? It's ils. Plural of l, else. Why I have written j? Why I have not written je? Because avoir, the conjugation of avoir verb is vowel. Here I have to write ai. So whenever the verb is with vowel, starting with vowel, we have to write j apostrophe. Because if there will be e and a, two verbs cannot come together. So that's why we remove e and we write apostrophe. So it is j. J means I have. इसका plural क्या होगा? I means we. I. What is the plural of I? No, we. And ai, plural of ai will be avons. J, nous avons. I have, we have. You are. You are, you have, singular one. You all have, plural one. And this who we will use for elders also. Just ILA, he has, she has. And with this aunt, that means they have. So I have, you have, he has, she has, we have, you all have, they have, masculine one, boys, they have, for girls one. So we have done two verbs, I am, he is, she is, I have, he has, she has, we have. So we have done two verbs, être and avoir. Now I'm going to write the aller verb because we are doing revision. So I am writing the avoir verb here. I am not going to write remove singular plural je, tu, il, elle because as I said it remains same. Verb is aller means to go. To go. Je, I, tu, il, elle is same रहेगा and the conjugation of aller verb. Aller verb की conjugation होगी je vais. I go or I am going. Nous allons, plural form of I go. I am going or I go. We are going or we go. You can say I go or I am going. Same thing. Tu vas, you are going. Vous allez or you all are going. Il va, he goes. She goes. They are going or they go. Simple I am going or I go. I am going. We are going. You are going. You are going. He goes or he is going. She goes or she is going. They go or they are going. They go or they are going. Masculine and feminine. Only this changes all the time in all the verbs. This remains same. ये same रहता है. Only conjugation get changed. So today we have done three verbs, that is avoir, être and aller. It was a revision. Now I'm going to tell you presentez-vous. Presentez-vous, that means introduction. Alors, regarde. Presentez-vous. That means introduction. Introduction in French. So whenever we do introduction, what do we say first of all? Yes, you are right. We say my name is. My name is. So here I am writing my name is and I am writing the blank. आप उसमें अपना नाम fill कीजिए and I am writing on your behalf. So either you can write in paragraph or in points, it's up to you. But for making you understand, I'm writing in a paragraph. आपको समझाने के लिए मैं इसको पैराग्राफ में नहीं sentences में लिख रही हूँ. So our first point is je m'appelle dash. See, my name is Neha, so I am writing here my name is dash. So you will write your name je m'appelle dash. That means I am writing the translation so that you can understand easily. My name is dash. And what you say in your introduction? What else? What else you say in your introduction? Correct. Your age. So j'ai dash on. I am dash year old. Counting, you can fill according to your age. But as I told you, whenever you want to write your age, you don't have to use être verb. You only have to use avoir verb. So j'ai dash on, like if you are 20 years old, you can write 20 ans. If you are like 10 years old, 11 years old, whatever your age, you can write accordingly. J'ai dash on. I am dash years old. So you have written the 2 points. Next, what you say next? When you say about your introduction, what do you say next? Yes, you say I live in Delhi, or wherever you live in. I live in Delhi. So I'm writing about myself. J'habite à Delhi. J'habite à Delhi. I live in Delhi. So for living verb, we will use habit verb. Wherever you stay, you can say your city name. I live in Delhi, so I'm writing my city name. J'habite à Delhi. I live in Delhi. And fourth point, I am Indian. I am Indian. Whatever your country, you can write je suis Indian. If you are a boy, you will write this Indian, or if you are a girl, you will write this Indian. Because for masculine, we write this one, and for feminine, we write this one. Right? Je suis Indian. I am an Indian for male one, this Indian. For female one, this Indian. I am Indian. Je suis Indian. Okay, what is our fifth point? What do you say next when you introduce yourself? You say something about your family, your likes, your dislikes, or what you are. Are you a student? Are you a teacher? Are you a job? Are you doing a job? Are you a doctor? What profession you are having, you write here. So I'm writing on your behalf that I am a student. So je suis étudiant. For male, we will say je suis étudiant. For female, we will say je suis étudiante. Because for feminine one, girl के लिए हम e लगाते हैं feminine, and boy के लिए हम masculine लगाते हैं. जैसे कि इंडियन में हमने लगाया था इंडियन मेल के लिए, इंडियन फीमेल के लिए, एतोदियो मेल के लिए, एतोदियो फेमिनिन के लिए. और आप देखिए इसमें मोस्टली एत्र और एवोआर वर्ब का यूज हो रहा है. हमने यहाँ एवोआर वर्ब की, यहाँ 2 वर्ब्स अलग यूज किए, और यहाँ पर हमने एत्र वर्ब की है. je suis, आई एम हम यूज करते हैं. je suis étudiant, male will say je suis étudiant, feminine will say je suis étudiante. I am a student. I am a student. Right? So next you can write your likes or dislikes. Like I am writing j'aime la musique classique. That means I like classical music. J'aime la musique classique. I like classical music. You can write whatever you like here. आपको जो चीज़ पसंद है आप लिखिए. अगर आपको कोई खाने की चीज़ पसंद है तो you write here. अगर आपको डांस पसंद है तो आप इधर लिख सकते हैं. आर्ट पसंद है तो you can write here. बट मुझे म्यूजिक पसंद है तो मैंने यहाँ म्यूजिक लिखा है. That means I like classical music. I like classical music. And next we can say je déteste. Whatever you hate, you can write. Je déteste. Je déteste le sucre. I hate sweets. So I am writing on my behalf. आपको जो चीज पसंद नहीं है you can mention here. I hate or I dislike. You can say I hate or dislike. Detest means hate or dislike. I hate sugar. And at the end you can say c'est fini. So today I have done the 3 topics, 3 verbs and 1 introduction. So I hope you understood this.